Minecraft Pro 111 back with another video, and today we're playing Minecraft on Survival. It's just on creative right now because I'm trying to find a spot to build a huge castle. It's gonna take a while though. Ooh, ravine. Ooh, a mine shaft, yes. I'm gonna get some torches because I'm looting this because I don't have really anything yet. Ooh, some gold. If I find diamond, I can hear the spiders. I'm gonna take that gold because all I can cheat on is an iron pick. There's some light. Wait, why is it? Found more gold. I'm gonna make it so they won't spawn. Where's the spawner? Did I break it? Oh, I think I might have broken it. Ooh, lava, lava. Is this? Nah, that's... a staircase going down. Is there don't tell me. Oh my god. That I'm so... What the? There's no... I'm gonna break this. There's more. Funny. Ooh, guys, we're off to a great start on this account. I'm getting my iron pick. Like right now. Okay. I'm gonna block this off so no mean mobs come. And then this lady. And then when I put it back on creative, delete this scary mine shaft that I found diamonds in. I'm so happy. That's it, I'm going this way. It goes down even further. What's this way? Oh, that scared me. There's no other way. I think there was another way up here. That was where the diamond was. So I guess we just go this way. I can't believe I found diamond though. Redstone. That's going to be so useful. Okay. Come on. Yes. Let's get ourselves some redstone. Okay, I'm not. That was not enough. Did I just go? It's another way. Lapis, that's gonna be great. I love this cow. I'm never deleting this. Ooh. How is that even a thing? I have 6 diamonds. I'm the best Minecrafter alive. This mineshaft is huge. Oh, yeah. That's bad. I don't know that I'm ready for this. I'm gonna take some iron. I'm really gonna need that. This is the best freaking mine shaft. That's all. We can't do nothing yet. We're definitely gonna need that though. We already went through here. I think there's another way. Yeah, so I go up here. And I believe it was this way. No, where did, oh, maybe I can continue. We're definitely gonna need this. And I'm hungry. We should probably head up soon. This video isn't really gonna be building, it's just gonna be mining. But next episode, it's gonna be all building. Well, we're gonna have to do some mining. But I can't believe I found that many. Ooh, yeah, I said I was gonna take this. I'm just taking it just in case I need gold. Cause you know you can use gold. Oh yeah, I broke. Oh no. Oh yeah. Remember I went this way. Alright. And then I came out. Okay, I'm gonna explore the rest on creative. I haven't cheated at all. I swear I did. You guys can even see that I looked at down here and I found it, the mine shaft. I didn't cheat. We're gonna need obsidian, right? That's the entrance I went in. Okay, I'm gonna switch it because I need to get there. I'm gonna head up soon. I'm gonna take this anyway. I need a lot more than 24. Ooh, what did I find? I don't think I've been down to Uma Labs. This is really good to enchant. I'm gonna get, cause this is all you can use on creative. I don't think you need. Yeah, you don't. Should have known that. More diamonds. I'm rich. I think I kind of want to go this way because if I... What is that? Oh my god. Okay, I'm going to build 2 of them on creative so I don't die. I'm coming to you, diamonds. Actually, you know what I'm gonna do? Put some water down to make some obsidian. Oh no, I just flooded my whole pathway. I can't believe that I have 8 diamonds. Like, that's so good. Bucket. What do I not need? I don't need. That's useless. Okay, I made some obsidian. Makes me. Oh no, I just. Alright, we're gonna put it. Excuse me. I'm gonna get rid of them. I'm sorry I'm doing this so much. I just really. Oh my god. Why am I I love this game. Oh, I only get 1 water bucket. So I gotta make sure to pick it up. I have so many diamonds. I'm gonna get some of redstone. Because that's gonna be super useful for my castle entrance. I'm definitely building a castle. I didn't think I would find diamonds this 13. I didn't think I would find diamonds that fast. We'll quickly make. Did I bring wood? I'm gonna collect some up. Nah, I don't want to waste my diamonds. But I can't believe I found a name tag. I cannot wait to get a dog or something like that, maybe. Dog would be nice. There's a lot of obsidian. I want to do the rest on creative because, like, if I die with that many diamonds, you know how mad I'm gonna be. Would you guys be mad? Is there any diamonds up here? I'm just quickly making sure. Ooh, here's some more lava. I almost missed that. And it leads you right out the ravine. I love this game. This is like the best game. Whoever made this game, whoever made this game is like the best. It was only one, but that's fine. I'm gonna have so many diamonds. It's not even gonna be funny. Okay, I think this video was pretty successful. You guys think that it was? Leave a comment down below. So yeah, but I'm not ending it. I watched this YouTuber once, and he dug down in a mine shaft. That's not a good idea. Ooh, I can take a bunch. I can get through this. Did you guys see that? Alright, that's good. I love this account. Do you guys think I should start over? I'm obviously not. I gotta be so much more careful. Alright, no diamonds over here. I'm just quickly making sure that because I want diamonds. I don't want to make a diamond pickaxe. And I have to have this video uploaded by 3. Do you guys think this account is really good? Does? Oh my god. I'm heading up soon. How much? Oh my god, look how much iron I have. Alright, I think I even got it. I'm gonna fly this way and see if I find any more. That's the end. I'm mining in this video and building in the next video because I think that I'll be like, ooh, I haven't been down here yet. But I'm gonna quickly switch it because I want to get a few things. Not on creative. I'm not cheating. I don't like cheaters. No more. So I'm never gonna cheat. Right when this, I'm gonna head up. Wait, don't I got a bunch of... Alright guys, I think... Wait, did I lose? Oh, I was about to say, if I lost diamonds, I would be mad. But I think this is where I'm gonna leave it. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye.